Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious beer battered onion rings. First, select large, firm onions and slice them into 1/4 inch rings. Next, separate the rings and pat them completely dry. This ensures the batter adheres perfectly. Then, prepare your simple beer batter, ensuring it's smooth and lump-free. Finally, fry the battered rings until they are a beautiful golden brown and wonderfully crispy. It's an easy method for a fantastic snack. To begin, choose large, firm onions, as they provide the best rings for frying. Carefully peel the onions, then slice them into uniform 1/4 inch thick rings. Consistency and thickness helps them cook evenly. Gently separate each ring, being careful not to break them. Finally, and this is crucial, pat all the onion rings completely dry with paper towels. This step ensures your batter sticks perfectly for that ideal crispy coating. Now, let's create that amazing beer batter. In a medium bowl, combine 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour with your preferred seasonings, like salt, pepper, and a pinch of paprika. Gradually whisk in 1 12-ounce bottle of your favorite beer until the mixture is smooth and free of any lumps. The batter should be thick enough to coat the onion rings, but still pourable. Adjust the consistency with a little more flour or beer if necessary. For frying, heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Dip each onion ring into the batter, allowing any excess to drip off. Carefully place a few battered rings into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Drain them on a wire rack and season immediately with salt. Serve hot and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.